Welcome. If you want to remove tempered glass from display in your Galaxy A52s, you don't have to use any external tools. You can use only your hands. So take a look. In this device we can find this kind of the tempered glass. So how to remove it? You can put your fingernail underneath glass. From one of the edge, it's very important to start from one of these four edges. I mean one of the corners. So let's start from the right upper corner, put finger underneath. Then we can put that the second finger here, and then grab it right here. Then do it slowly and don't break the glass, don't hurt yourself. And as you can see, it's finished. So yeah, that's how we can remove glass from your display in this smartphone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.